In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do a Facetime photoshoot. This is a fantastic way to capture memories with loved ones even when you're miles apart, using simple technology that most of us already have. Let's walk through the steps together to get stunning portraits right from the convenience of your own home. First, you'll need to set up your iPhone or iPad for the photoshoot. Ensure that your device is fully charged or plugged in, especially if you're planning an extended session. Charge it up to avoid interruptions during your photo shoot. Decide on a location with good light, since lighting is crucial in achieving quality photos. Natural light is often the best bet, so aim for a spot near a window or well-lit room. Make sure your FaceTime app is up to date to access all its features smoothly. Once your device is set up properly, it's time to initiate the FaceTime call with your photo shoot partner. Before you start, ensure you've communicated with them about the timing and plan of the shoot. Once the call is connected, give them a quick rundown of what to expect. Besides adding a personal touch, this helps set the mood for a relaxed and successful session. Your clear communication with them will make the process smooth and enjoyable. Now, with the call in progress, focus on positioning your camera to frame the shot perfectly. This might take a bit of adjusting, so be patient. It can be helpful to prop your device against a sturdy surface, ensuring it's stable and angled to capture the best image of your subject. Invite the person you're shooting to move into different poses or positions, much like you would in a physical photo shoot. Remember, creativity can often boost the outcome of the photos you take. With everything in place, we move to the exciting part: snapping the photos. iPhones allow you to take a live photo during a FaceTime call simply by tapping the Take Live Photo button. This feature captures moments with motion and sound, adding a lovely dynamic element to your image. It's like taking a snapshot of your moment enriched with life. Ensure to communicate with your partner when you're about to take the photo so they can strike their best pose. Finally, after concluding your shoot, you'll find all your photos saved in your Photos app. It's a great idea to review them right after the call. This allows you to admire your work and select your favorites. These images are not just memories captured, but can also become a fun project you can edit later, enhancing them further with filters or effects. And there you have it, a simple, fun way to conduct a photo shoot via FaceTime. This method not only brings an innovative twist to traditional photography, but also bridges the gap between distances, keeping people connected creatively. Thanks for joining me today, and happy snapping!